Christina, I can't see you a bit. Yes, I see you. Welcome, dear.
Hello everyone. Hello, Anna. I'm very, very happy to be here with you and all the words that have been said. I just can join this, and it's a very great chance and opportunity for me to speak about not just language coaching, which was actually I met Anna, yes, while we were doing one of the coaching courses together. But also to speak about constellation, which is not widely used in language teaching. That's what I know, at least. And I was kind of scared to start it at the beginning because there are two types of clients, from what I see. There are clients who want some real thing to see how it all works, like the whole process, and there are clients who like to see the magic. So my clients are usually those who want to think and to see the stages of every process of whatever they're doing. And with the constellations, it's not that clear. It's not that obvious sometimes. So today I would like to share one case that, if I can have the second slide, please. Yeah, thank you. There was a housewife, her name is Larissa. I don't have a photo here. I wasn't sure if I can add it here, so I didn't, but it's a real person. She came to me saying that her level of knowledge is zero. She can't really speak when she's surrounded by foreigners, by English speakers. And it felt like the cat got her tongue every time when her husband was around, because she knew that she could rely on him, but at the same moment she felt frozen. Yes, so she wanted him to speak and she wanted him to help. So it was help and support, and at the same time it was a big issue for her and a big problem. So she couldn't understand anything at the beginning. It was really hard for her, and there was a huge lack of confidence. Actually, in the middle of our coaching course, around maybe 6 weeks or later, I realized that she's a great cook. She has a lot of interest, but at the beginning it was all, I would say, blocked. Yeah, so she wouldn't share this. So what we did was the regular coaching sessions at the beginning, and then she is a person who can work hard. So she was going to the gym for 2 years or so, so she knew how to work constantly every single day, and she had this habit. But one day she came to me saying, I've been watching the videos, I've been learning all the materials that she actually found herself a lot as well, but there is something wrong with me listening English, and I can't play songs in my car anymore. So she surrounded herself with songs and music and dialogues that I sent to her. She found herself. So at one moment it just stopped. So like there is no English at all, and like English was fighting with her Russian. So we had one constellation session. Every time before the constellation session, I asked my client if they're okay with that, because some of them don't want it, so it's totally okay. She agreed, and what she saw was, I can show it with I've got a couple notebooks here. So her Russian language was under her English language, and the notebook with the English language was bigger, and it was kind of pushing the Russian. So that's why Russian wanted, like in her mind, Russian wanted to find with the English. I gave her time to look at this and to analyze, to feel what she was feeling at the moment. And then she said, well, I think I could do something with that. So what she did is she opened her Russian, put English inside, and then she said, hope you can see it from here. Now it feels like Russian is hugging the English language. It feels more like an elder brother or a parent, something like that. And since that day, she started listening to the songs again. So yeah, so I mean, sometimes it's really hard to explain. You have to see the things and to let the students look at it and think about it themselves. Just give them some time for that. Yeah, so she started listening. She started playing songs in her car and all the things, which actually looked like magic. But this is what is called constellations. And what I like about this method, that you can actually easily use whatever you have on your table, on your desk, whatever you have around. You see, these were notebooks in my case. So this was just in the middle of the process. It's not the whole case, yes, but this is the brightest moment of her own experience, because she was a good student, what the school teachers would say. After the end of the course, she said that I'm finally a modern person. That's her own words. I'm not a silly mom anymore. I'm not a silly girl anymore. And she could easily speak with the foreigners. She could easily, they were thinking of going to Spain, and she organized everything by herself without even involving her husband into this. They have some other plans right now. They're thinking of going somewhere else. So it's all actually on her shoulders now. And she understands jokes, which is also a good niveau. And went to right after our course, she went to London alone, which was a present for herself, like this is the milestone, the big milestone, and she wanted a present for that. So my time's up. Thank you very much for your attention. And I hope one day you could use this method also. Why not?
Thank you very much, Christina, and then Nadezhda is sharing, covered with goosebumps.
I felt it too when she was telling me about this notebooks. Thank you.